मेरी फोटो है बड़ा दिखता है ये ट्विटर पेरेंट ये बड़ा ग्रुप से हम वीकेंड्स व्हाट टाइम डू you no I thought yes ma'am. तो इधर इसी के चुप payment links ma'am. Orders are waiting for the payment. Yeah, it's almost full of the गाड़ी भी निकालो. Okay, sir. I take out some of your resume. Yeah. Like we have spoken, ma'am. I have spoken to sir also. Okay, and he told me to send the payment link. I have sent also. So I'm waiting for because our tutor available time is 4:30 to 6 months. In between this time, you can take it 1 hour. So when can I expect the yeah. Timing is okay for you, right? 4:30 to 6. This in between this 1 hour you can take it.
Hello.
Or 5 to 6.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So
is it clear?
You can inform the tutor because he has taken the demo.
Hello.
Right. Hello. He's waiting for the delivery. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
But your voice is a bit dim. It's not clear.
Can you hear me now? Hello.
Can you bring that? Yeah, now a little bit clear. Okay, can you bring that mic closer to you so that it will be audible?
Just a second. I'll be. Can I get my earphones? I'll speak to you through.
Yeah. No, that's better.
Yeah. Just a second. Sorry for the delay.
No problem.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's clear. So, you have shown interest in taking the classes, and what I think I like, it's mathematics up to 12th standard, and mathematics and science up to 10th standard.
Yes.
Okay, and presently, what you are doing? Are you in education field? Or?
No, I finished civil engineering, and I'm preparing for civil services.
Okay, civil services. And do you have any teaching experience?
No.
No, it's not like in school or some college, but like even if taking tuitions and all.
No, but I used to teach to my
Sorry,
to my classmates. I used to help out my.
Can you bring that mic closer? It's still dim.
I used to help out my classmates. I used to teach
Okay.
them.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And CBSE and ICSE syllabus, you are familiar?
Yeah, I studied in ICSE syllabus till 9th.
Okay, so you are familiar with the CBSE and ICSE.
No, but I am comfortable teaching CBSE.
Sorry?
I think I'm more comfortable in CBSE.
Okay, yeah, CBSE is more comfortable. And in 11th and 12th, like mathematics, so in 11th and 12th, it will be mathematics only, or mathematics and science also, like physics, chemistry?
Physics I can teach. I'm not so strong in chemistry.
Okay, it's not as strong in chemistry, no problem. Mathematics or physics, and mathematics you might be knowing in 11th and 12th, they have in their syllabus relations and functions, sets.
Yeah, everything I'm good.
And all those things are there. Okay, calculus is there, right?
Yeah.
Calculus and all those things are there.
Calculus,
Do you
I
have a sorry?
what were sorry?
What I'm asking is like, do you have a pen and paper with you now?
Yeah.
She come every holiday, but always also we are getting the payment. But we are getting most of the holidays only I get the You send the payment link. Whenever you are sending the payment link, how soon it will be get done? Your thinking should be that.
Just a second.
I'm taking that for every new.
That's right. The way you are seeing the payment link, the customer automatically do that.
Excuse me. I'll just go get
Okay.
the pen.
पेमेंटली बेसिक का बोल रहा हूँ मैं हर एक नया लीड को ही देख रहा हूँ for every new lead it's a
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. So, like I was telling in 11th and 12th, they have the topics like relations and functions, sets is there, matrices, determinants, those type of things are there. So, if we start with say relations and functions, can you just explain me like what is the difference between a relation and a function?
No, can you ask me the syllabus within 10th standard?
Okay, till
Yeah,
10th standard
yeah.
mathematics and science can do like that.
Yeah.
They have that real numbers is there, polynomials, quadratic equations, linear equations in two variables. So those type of topics, right?
Yeah.
Now, like if we take the polynomials in polynomial, we generally say like the question they get in school or in a test and all to find the zeros of a polynomial.
Yeah.
So
what's the meaning of a zero of a polynomial?
Okay, and what is the subject you're looking for?
Zero in a polynomial.
Zero of a polynomial. No, it's also called a solution of a polynomial or solution of a solution or a zero of a polynomial.
Solution is the roots, right?
Yeah, it's the root.
The roots. Yeah.
Roots of a given polynomial. Now, suppose if I write one polynomial, say x square, x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6.
6 is equal to 0.
Yeah, is equal to 0, and we are interested in finding the zero or the solution of this by factorization method.
Solution is the roots. By factorization, I can tell you the shortest method. Like alpha and beta are the roots. C by A is the.
Can you bring that mic closer? Still, that voice breaking in between.
Boy or girl? Boy. Okay. Where do you stay?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's clear. Now it's clear. Yeah.
So if alpha and beta are the roots, C by A, I'll take the polynomial equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here c is 6 and b is minus 5 and a is equal to 0. A is 1. So the product of the roots is c by a. And sum of the roots is minus b by a.
Yeah, and that we will solve it and okay. Yeah, so these things then they have geometry is there. Geometry and geometry.
I'm correct.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh yeah. Are you comfortable with geometry part of 9th and 10th?
Yes.
like the triangle,
Yeah,
circles,
I'm good at
quadrilaterals, and
trigonometry.
those.
I'm good at trigonometry, geometry, and algebra.
Okay. Yeah, suppose if we take the trigonometry, like suppose one horizontal plane is there,
Yeah,
right? And there is one vertical pole on
yeah,
that horizontal pole, horizontal ground or
yeah.
horizontal plane, and that horizontal pole, no, that vertical pole, it's casting a shadow on the
Shadow on
ground,
the ground. Yeah,
right? Shadow on the ground, and at any particular point of time, the height of the pole and the length of the shadow is the same.
same. Yeah.
Yeah. Now the question is,
So
at that
it's
point of time, what will be the angle of elevation of the sun?
theta, tan theta.
Hmm.
Consider the angle on the opposite of the
Yeah.
pole. Uh, Tan theta is opposite by hypotenuse.
So 45 degree. Okay. Yeah. So these type of questions they have. Then in triangles and all, about the similarity of triangles, the congruency of the triangles.
Yeah, I'm completely
Two
comfortable in that.
basic concepts are there
Yeah.
in 10th, 9th, and 10th.
Yes.
Can you just tell me like the basic difference between the similarity and the congruency?
Similarity is just give me a second.
For her, you
So,
would be
for
paid
example,
320.
you need it for like weekend, like if you're taking 8
Per
hours,
hour, you would
then
be
it's
paid 320.
whatever the 750
Hello.
will be 8
Hello.
hours into 750.
Yeah.
So that
Just
amount, yeah, that amount before the class starts, should be doing it. Okay. So after the payment, we will start the class, and once it is completing
okay.
the hours, it will
Similarity
be
is
getting paid from our
similar
class.
sides or
Hmm.
similar angles,
So what
or
time?
either
Hmm.
sides
So
and angles.
can I have your email
Hmm.
ID?
Congruency is what do you say?
Morning is not possible. Yeah, yeah. She would be back
I'm not
by
able to
7
explain that. Just a
and
second.
between after she would need.
Yeah, then let's say I think geometry once you need to go through that
Yeah.
circles, triangles,
Yeah.
and yeah, problem.
See, I have
Then
made notes. I was preparing.
things like the probability is there, right?
Yeah.
Now, suppose there is an event, we represent an event generally by the symbol E, right? The capital E, we
Yes.
generally write the event. And the probability of an event, say we write P and then within bracket E, right?
Yeah.
So if I write, say, the probability of an event is 0, the probability of an event is 1 or 1 by 2, or say 3 by 2, or say minus 1 by 2, right?
Yes.
So five numbers
And
I've given
can I
over
explain
here.
the previous question?
Sorry,
Can I explain the previous question? I just remembered.
previous question.
The congruency and the similarity.
We can tell.
Yeah, congruent triangles are exact same triangle
Just give me some
with the
Mm-hmm.
different position of the image.
Hmm.
Even today,
Similar
tomorrow,
triangles are
they will
it's the
like
same thing but with
direct
different sizes, but it's all both are proportional.
Okay, so if we have two congruent triangles,
Yeah,
then
all the sides will be
what's
same.
the relation between the sides of the two different triangles?
They'll just be mirror images of themselves or the up and down images of the
Okay,
congruent
and
triangles.
what about the
you
angles?
can
Angles will be similar,
Angles will be
same.
okay, and in
In
yeah,
similar
same.
triangles, yeah.
No, the question is like if we have two congruent triangles,
Yeah.
uh, what is the relation between the sides of the two congruent triangles? Like whether the sides are equal or not equal, or what some relation?
Sides are okay. Let's take
Sides will be,
same. Sides will be same.
yeah, sides will be same. And what about the angles?
Angles will also be same.
Yeah, angles will also be the same. And in case of similar triangles?
Uh, any two sides and one angle, or any three
No,
sides and
sorry, I'm not getting it. Still, the voice is still breaking.
in
In case
similar
of similar
triangles,
triangle, huh?
any either angle or the sides will be
Hmm.
similar. They'll be proportionate.
Hmm. Okay, it
Like
will
if
be
you take a
proportional.
triangle and
Uh-huh.
take a triangle with
Yeah, that is correct. Now we're moving on to that one probability we were
yeah,
taking, like Suppose I give 5 figures, like the probability of an event is 0, the probability of an event is 1, the probability of an event is 1 by 2, the probability of an event is 3 by 2, the probability of an event is minus 1 by 2, right? So
Yes.
5 figures, yeah, 5 values I've given: 0, 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and minus 1 by 2. Now, among these 5 values, which of the values can be the probability of an event and which of the values cannot be the probability of an event?
Can you repeat that question? I'm sorry.
The question is, out of these 5 values, some of the values, or the question is, out of these values, which of the values can be the probability of an event, which of the values cannot be the probability of an event?
Now,
Or
what are the
better,
values are
the values are 0,
0,
1,
1,
1 by 2,
1 by 2,
3 by 2,
3 by 2,
and minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. Okay. Yeah.
So among these 5 values, which can be the probability and which cannot be the probability?
0 and 1
0 and 1 are probability or not?
are the probability of an event.
Are the probability. And what about 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and
I didn't understand this question. I didn't get the. I don't think I know the answer to this.
we need to go through the 9th and 10th also lots. So can you do one thing, like once go through the topics and all, and then maybe after a week or so, when you feel okay, now you are comfortable, we can have one more interaction like this.
Oh, sure. Okay. Can you tell
Will
me
it be
what to
clear?
prepare? I'll prepare for that.
No,
Yes.
yeah, that will be okay, because the thing is, why we take this type of interaction. We want our tutors to be at least ready for that. If you are teaching any student, and if he asks anything, then it should not be like, okay, you are just going through the
Yeah,
book or
I
the
know.
pages.
I actually see. This is my preparation. I was preparing for the exams and all that.
Uh-huh. So no problem. Like
So
what you can do, like what
I'm
you can do,
listening.
like can go through the syllabus and all, and then we can fix it like maybe sometime later after 3-4 days or 1 week, whatever you feel comfortable.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I'll prepare in probability.
You prepare, and then just send us the mail or give a call, and then we can have a session like this.
Yeah,
Right?
sure.
It won't take
Should I
much time. I
prepare for
think it will.
9th and 10th?
We have first prepare for 9th and 10th only. It's not like, okay, you go for 11th and 12th, and first prepare for 9th and 10th, and then can go for 11th and 12th also later. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, that's very good. I know that's well and good because he's a computer science. He takes a computer science.